I'm Aaliyah.
I'm Olivia.
And today, before I forget, in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification button. Today we're going to be hunting for fidgets. So,
if you don't know what fidgets are, go check it out on TikTok.
Yep, if you're allowed to have TikTok. And so they are things that could be squishy, they could be poked, they can make sounds. So we are going to hunt for them. So I had hers upstairs and she had mine downstairs. So what we're going to do for this challenge, basically, I would say, is so I will tape her and she's upstairs finding hers. I'll videotape her. And when I'm downstairs finding hers that she hid, she'll tape me. So we explained it. Let's get started.
I paused it.
Okay.
Did I pause
So,
it? I didn't pause it.
now it is.
Okay.
We're upstairs. She's hunting and finding them. Some of them are hard.
I don't think there should be any in here, but
I think you might have passed one.
found one.
I think you passed a squishy. You passed a squishy back there.
I did?
I'll give you a little hints at times, Olivia. And if you can't find them, I'll show you where they are. It's somewhere around here.
Okay.
You see it?
Okay, so I found them. 1, 2, 3.
There's one more. It's around here, Olivia.
Oh, here it is. Mine's in the microwave.
It's in the microwave. Okay, you can make a fidget pie right here if you want, because there's nothing on the carpet.
Okay, there.
So you found a fidget spinner.
Ooh. Love this.
Fidget pile. Is there any more in that room or not? There's one more in here, Olivia. Olivia, check all around the bed. Is there anything around the bed? Check behind the pillows.
I found one.
Put it in the fidget pile. I'll see you when it's in the fidget pile. She put in the fidget pile. Come in here. I actually forget where I put one of them, Olivia.
The pocket.
Yes. She knows what one is missing.
Are you videotaping anything?
Mhm. Oh, I see it. I see it.
Found the pocket.
Put it in the fidget pile. Wait, can I play with it? I love the poppets. They pop. I'm going to show you guys. You can push it. The baby's room door is open, so be quiet. Okay, now. Oh, okay, Olivia, you found everything. Okay, Olivia, here's the camera. I'm going to go downstairs and find some fidgets. I'll wait for them. So we're going to check downstairs everywhere. And I already found some.
So what'd you find? Show them.
I found 2 fidget spinners, 1 mini and
Those
one
are not
big.
fidget spinners.
Oh, yeah. Rubik's cubes.
Oh my gosh, there's one sticking right out. And you're literally so close to it.
What? Is it that? Is
No.
It this?
Yeah. So you found 2 things so far.
Wait. Okay. Is it anywhere downstairs?
She's close to one.
Found this.
A finger ring.
Okay. Right there. How many? What's one I need to find?
You need to find. Oh my god. Found a steak.
Or whatever it is. Adrian's waking up.
What'd you find?
I found.
2 marble mash.
Is that all there is, or is there any more?
Maybe there might be more.
Is there?
Yes.
Is there anywhere over here?
Who knows?
Is that it? No. Is this it?